Hey Texas homeowners, are you paying more in your property taxes than you should? If you haven't filed your homestead exemption, you could be leaving thousands of dollars on the table every year. I'm going to show you how to fix that in just few minutes. Hi, my name is Sonali Sikdar with eXp Realty here in Dallas, Texas. And today we are walking through one of the most important and overlooked tax saving tools for Texas homeowners, the homestead exemption. What is homestead exemption? The homestead exemption is a property tax benefit that lowers the assessed value of your primary home, not the market value, but the value your county uses to calculate your taxes. Here is a quick example. Let's say your home is worth $500K. With the exemption of $100K, your taxes value drops to $400K. If your tax rate is around 2%, you are now saving about $2,000 every single year. And this isn't just a one-time thing. You save every year as long as it's your primary home. There are three big benefits. First, of course, lower property taxes. That's obvious, right? More money in your pocket. Next is 10% cap on value increases. Yes, once filed, your taxable value can go up more than 10% per year, even if the home's market value skyrockets. And third, legal protection. In some cases, it can help protect your home from creditors in serious situations. And this is one of the reasons this was formed. Who qualifies for it? If you own the house, live in it as your primary residence, or were living there of January 1st this year, you qualify for it. It does not apply to rentals, investment homes, or secondary homes. Your Texas driver license must show the same address as the property. There are some other special exemptions like age 65 plus, disabled individuals, 100% disabled veterans, surviving spouses of military or first responders. Some of these provide full tax exemptions, so definitely check with your county if you qualify. Now, how to apply for it? Don't worry, I will guide you step by step. Good news is it's free to apply and you only need to do it once. Here is how to do it. Update your Texas driver's license with your new address. Go to your county appraisal district's website like Dallas, Tarrant, Collin, or Denton. Find the homestead exemption form under form section. Fill it out online or download and mail it. Don't forget to upload or include your updated ID. Copy of it, of course. Sign and submit. Okay, let me give you a pro tip. After filing, check your property record online or call your appraisal district to confirm it's been applied. So let's do a quick recap. It saves you thousands of dollars every year. It limits how much your property value can increase for tax purposes. And do let me know in the comment how much it is. What is the percentage? It's free and easy to apply. And it is one of the first things you should do after moving in. If you recently bought a home or if you are planning to, do not miss this step. And if you need help in navigating the process or you are still looking for your dream home in Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex and its suburbs, give me a call at 469-938-9096 or email me at realtorsonalisikdar@gmail.com. So it's like realtor, my name, my first name, my last name @gmail.com. I help homeowners just like you every single day, every single week, and I would love to help you too. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. And let's make this real estate simple together.